friends, this is Ali from Zhengzhou Gaoshi Induction Hardening Corporation Limited. Today, I'd like to introduce you our screen-round induction quenching machine customized for our Malaysian customer. Let's go. You can see that this induction quenching machine tool is customized by our Malaysian customer. This screen-round is used to produce palm oil. You can see that this induction quenching machine tool consists of 4 parts. The first part is induction heating power supply. Second part is transformer. The third part is this induction quenching machine tool. And the fourth part is the water chiller. This water chiller is used for provide cooling water to this induction heating machine. And here you can see it has a PLC control screen. You can customize your language. If you want English, no problem. If you want Russian, no problem. If you want Spanish, also no problem. We can customize many languages for you. You can see that this transformer can move left and right, forward and backward. It's controlled by this PLC control. In fact, the technical difficulty of this induction quenching machine is a little bit. But fortunately, we have a professional technical team. Thank you, team. Thank you for your effort. If you are interested in this machine, follow me. I will tell you more about induction heating machine.